As Delhi grows, infrastructure projects like construction of roads, flyovers and metro routes generate large quantities of construction and demolition or C&D waste. The city of Delhi itself generates 4 to 5,000 tons per day of C&D waste. The unsegregated municipal waste, often mixed with C&D waste, gets dumped finally at the various dump sites of the city's low-lying land, for a price in public land or along roads, ridge areas or riverbanks in an unauthorized manner. Combined with the burning of waste and road dust, C&D waste contributes to over 20% of Delhi's alarming air pollution levels. In this context, an initiative by North Delhi Municipal Corporation with ILNFS Environment is a ray of hope shining through the blinding construction debris in the nation's capital. This unique project at Burari Jahangirpuri is based on a public-private partnership framework.
For improving the sanitation in Delhi, we have to tackle with two problems. One is the municipal solid waste. We are generating around 8,000 metric tons of garbage daily, and another is construction and development waste, which is Malba, which is around 5,000 metric tons per day. So, to deal with C&D waste, we have to collect this material, segregate and use it for recycling. The C&D waste plant set up at Burari in 2009 with the cooperation of ILFS is a major step in processing the C&D waste. In this plant, at present we are processing around 2,000 metric tons of waste every day and producing very useful products like cement, concrete, CC blocks and other useful building materials. With this processing, we are not only reducing the burden of land for dumping of the C&D waste, but also reducing the air pollution in a very significant way. So far, we are able to process 30 lakh metric tons of C&D waste, and we have saved around 60 acres of land, which cost around 200 crores in Delhi. With the success of this plant, we are also planning to set up more plants in Ranikheda and other departments like PWD and South DMC is also planning to set up more plants. The products which are produced in this plant like CC blocks are used at present in the Supreme Court premises and other premises also. Once the CPWD notifies the rates for using this material in various construction activities, we will be able to utilize these materials in a very, very important and significant manner. This plant has helped us in not only reducing the menace of Malwa in Delhi's roads, but also air pollution to a large extent. We hope that with the success of this plant, we will be able to keep the Delhi free of Malwa.
It is India's first large-scale operational C&D recycling facility. The plant is compliant with MSW 2000 rules and was originally set up to manage 500 TPD or tons per day of C&D waste. Recognizing the pollution abatement capability of the facility, Delhi Pollution Control Committee enhanced the project's capacity to 2000 TPD. The technology for the plant was adapted to suit the C&D waste generated in India. The wet processing technology was incorporated at the Burari plant to minimize dust as well as noise pollution. The facility gets mixed C&D waste from designated points in 3 zones of North Corporation, Karolbagh, Sadar Paharganj and City. The waste is crushed, washed and recycled into aggregates, which in turn are converted to ready-mix concrete or RMC, cement bricks, hollow bricks, pavement blocks, curbstones, concrete bricks and manufactured sand.
मैं अपने कंपनी के लिए एग्रीगेट, डस्ट, टाइल्स वगैरह परचेज़ करता हूँ. हम बिल्डर्स के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा एक ऑप्शन मिला हुआ है.
The facility uses recycled water for processing waste. The plant is able to recover and recycle about 95% of incoming C&D waste. The facility has ISO 9001, 14001, 18001 and SA 8000, that is Social Accountability certifications. Using a recycled aggregate in this process reduces the consumption of fresh stones and sand, thus conserving our natural resources and helping in reducing sand mining. The plant reduces the burden on landfill or dumping sites of the city and saves precious urban land. The Burari C&D Waste Management Facility also provides employment opportunities to local North Delhi residents. With a steep rise in air pollution-related health problems and judicial interventions, urban local bodies face enormous pressure. In light of these problems, it is vital to have replicable models like this successful C&D waste management project at Burari. The C&D recycling project, being the first of its kind in the country, requires support for usage of recycled green C&D products. The pioneering plant at Burari has earned many accolades from national and international environmentalists. This endeavour of IL&FS Environment has been appreciated by the Ministry of Urban Development, Government of India. The Ministry of Urban Development has asked all states to look into the possibility of installing such facilities in cities having a population above 10 lakh people. The project has provided a paradigm shift from illegal dumping to scientific processing and recycling of C&D waste.